excited about today. I don't know what to do with myself. There are 6 of us today. Jim's taking us through some upsy downsies. All right, well, I've got some new skins on the bike today that hopefully I don't completely destroy on one ride at Croom. As you can see on my front fender, I went with the old green camo pattern. And on my side plates, I covered up my airbox holes, and I'm curious to see what that does, and it's so far so good. Definitely sounds different, and but I don't feel like I'm losing a lack of power or any carburation issues as a result, so feeling pretty stinking good about that. I got Grant in front of me, Jimbo taking the lead, and a 4-pack behind me, or a 3-pack, 4-pack. Uh-oh. I don't see any pack behind me. No pack. I think they couldn't find me because I'm camo stealth. Jim's got this pattern down pat. We take the same route every week, and I'm not complaining, I like it. We do a little terrain, and then we get out in the open woods, and hopefully he doesn't go too fast. Got a big old spider on the chest. That's not really a warm-up, Jimbo. I don't know what you're doing, buddy. So are we gonna warm up or no?
Apparently not.
We're not gonna warm up? We're just gonna go balls to the wall? It's all Grant's fault. Donkey Punch King. Of Two-Stroke Revival Brewing. Little pine straw slide from Mark, I love it.
spider on your back, Jim.
Look at that guy.
Holy shit.
Trying to.
Oh, pull his leg off.
Hey. You had another spider on you, dropped down on the floor already. So you're collecting them, thank you. I'm gonna call you Arachnid Collector. The collector. He's a collector, Mr. Collector. All right, that's enough of nonsense. All right, where are we heading to the front? Yeah, let's see if anybody's there, like my buddy Zach. He didn't text me last night, but so if he's there, I'm gonna be pissed. Holy shit. Oh, you cut corner mother Hubbards. I'll remember that, fellas. Not a big fan, but I'll stop complaining. Guess we're not stopping. Too steep for Scotty in this little bike. I chickened out. I don't believe it. It's time for crickets. They're down there. All right, going out for the afternoon on the north side of Croom. Was Jim putting on new panties?
That fuel injection, it probably helps it run a lot crisper.
Yeah, I have no complaints about power.
He's got blue ones in there he wants to put on.
What's he putting on?
Panties.
Why?
I don't know. Because his panties got dirty.
He's changing his pants.
No, panties.
Oh, panties.
I don't know what he's doing.
Fucking around is what he's doing.
Yup. big boy panties. See you later, Jim.
See you guys.
Uh-oh, Mark's up front. Serious business. All right, took a little break, back out to ride. Feeling bueno. Woo, that one went out from under me almost. Little log under the front tire. Whew, I'm a little winded already. Whew, sorry. I'm not doing very well right here. I got old Sean blowing the horn behind me. What the hell is that, Sean? Cut the corner. Took a little break. Lost the rest of the guys, so I'm with the Ripper right now. Oh, the Ripper's ripping it up. I hear it behind me. And I just had a branch take my head off. Where's the brake? Oh, it's right there. The brake's tucked in. So I'm on Sean's TE 150. Getting a feel for his suspension. And I couldn't find his rear brake. It's tucked way up in against the motor. Oh, I like it. Ooh, that front feels really good. Handlebars seem a little crooked though. Ooh, it lights up. Ooh, I love the way it hits those logs. I just got to remember where we parked. There we are. That's beautiful. That has got some good front suspension.
Think so?
Yeah. Keep feeling I got a spider on me. Nothing?
Nothing.
Good.